Hello everybody, I want to give you a few quick tips on how to have some peace of mind during this extreme market volatility like we're experiencing right now. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you're new. With that, let's get started on the video. Tip number 1, don't keep trying to get the best price. Now I know we're always taught, buy low, sell high. Well, in this market that we're currently in right now, practically everything's low. The best thing to do is to slowly get in now. Start taking a portion of your paycheck or whatever you're not afraid to lose and start investing into your stock portfolio. Start buying now and your money is going to go up. The best thing to do would be to invest into companies that are backed by the government. There's been the bailout money that came with the stimulus. Those companies are not going to fail. The government will not let them fail during this pandemic. So if you slowly start investing in them now, in the long term, it'll start going up and you won't really be losing out. Tip number 2, don't look at the stock market every day. Now I know you've heard this one a million times, but seriously, I've been here sitting on my laptop some days and I just have a screen open. Oh my gosh, it's up $5. Oh my God, it's down $5. Oh my gosh, it's up 5%, down 5%. This is the worst way to be investing. You're going to drive yourself insane and become one of those behavioral investors. And we don't want to be like that. We want to look at the bigger picture, look at how our returns will go into the future. Quick tip number 3, do not invest money that you are afraid to lose. Now I know if you're putting money in there, of course you're going to be afraid to lose it because it's your hard-earned money, right? But by being afraid to lose, I mean, don't be putting in money that you need to pay rent next week. Don't be putting in money that you need to pay, make your car payment with or pay for your tuition. What you want to be doing is investing the money, that you do not need right away. With extreme market volatility, you'll have days where you're up 10, 15% and then down 20%. That's just where we're living right now. Due to all the COVID-19 pandemic, you have to be able to bunker down, be okay with not using and touching this money for a year, 2 years. You need to be able to just set it aside and let the stock market work its way through its kinks and come to an even ground. I hope these 3 tips helped you today. I know they seem pretty basic to a lot of us that have been doing this for a little while, but I've been talking to some friends trying to convince them to start investing. And these are the similar questions that I'm asked and similar things I would tell people that are just starting out. I hope this helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and have a great day. Thanks.